As ethnic clashes between Meiteis and Kukis in Manipur continue for nearly 3 months, one of the triggers behind this violence is the state government's drive against illegal encroachments in forest areas. The Kukis side claims that Chief Minister Biren Singh launched this drive to specifically target the community and evicted even legal habitants. The state government, on the other hand, maintains that the drive is aimed at evicting all encroachers irrespective of their ethnicity. The government data assessed by India Today Northeast corroborates this claim by the government. During the government's eviction drive carried out between October 24, 2015 and April 18, 2023, 413 families were removed from reserved forest areas. Of these, 280 families were from Meitei community, 143 Meitei and 137 Meitei Pangal, while 59 were Kukis. During the drive, 38 Naga and 36 Nepali families also faced eviction.